Hello everyone, this is the Whiskey Lizard here with another vintage electric fan. Today we have a 1960 Lasko oscillating box fan. It's kind of an uncommon piece here. They only made these for a couple of years. And Lasko was the only one in the 60s that made them. They made a couple other brands later on. Lasko made a variation of an oscillating box fan, which I have, where the blade oscillates, and I'll do a video of that later. But this one here is a deluxe model. It's a 2-speed reversible in and out thermostat, and here's the button here to control the oscillator. This thing is built like a tank. It weighs in at about 40 pounds. It has a 2-pole motor that's located up in here that drives the oscillator. There's a rod that comes through to move the vanes back and forth. It's got a 4-wing blade, and there is some differences between the two, the 59 model and the 1960 model, subtle ones, but this one is powered by a RMR motor. Runs on a scant 1.5 amps, which is really low for a box fan at this period. The 59 model had a Westinghouse motor. The oscillating mechanism is gear driven on this one. The 59 model had like a rubber seal that they used like a belt to run it. The gear drive is much better than the seal model. And this one, the louvers do work on it, which is a common problem with these, where the louvers don't work. But this one's been cleaned up, and so let's give it we'll start it off on low. Like I say, this thing is a powerhouse. As you can see, the button here will stop the louvers. At high speed. Around the back. And now reverse. Low speed. It's got a great turbine sound when it starts up. And high speed. Fan was used for large rooms, and now the off position. This fan was used for if you had a living room or whatever. It had a sweeping motion. Instead of blowing straight on, it would sweep air across the whole room. If you like these old fans, please check out my website at fansofthepast.com. That's fansofthepast.com. We have sales, we do restorations, detailing, fan parts, informations, pictures, and videos. Well, that's all for now. So long, everybody.